Hey everyone, welcome back. So I thought today it would be fun to do a little bit of a plan with me in my A5 rings. So as you know, I've recently moved most of my daily planning, content planning, and also some other planning in my A5 rings, and I've really been loving it, specifically with using MāksëLife inserts. So I'm going to move my bookmark out of the way. If you missed that setup video, it went up last week, so it's just a couple of videos back. Here is how this week went. I actually just went ahead and used the freebie from Hand Can Plan, which I absolutely love. I did mention in my setup video for this planner that I don't intend to do things like neutral vibes or any sort of aesthetic like that in this planner. So you can probably see that here. There's going to be pops of color here and there. So I thought it'd be fun to set up this week. So whenever I'm in the current week of my planner, I do cut the holes on those particular pages just because I know those are the days that I'm going to be in and out of my pages quite a bit. So I'm just going to grab all of those and yep, all the way through there. And I haven't done this one yet. And I'm just going to take my scissors, and this just makes it easier. I don't have to open the rings quite as often, which is great. And my pages don't risk falling out of the rings or anything like that. I know I'll probably get asked that, but it doesn't create any sort of an issue at all. It's almost like discs, but not really. So it can be kind of hard to see like the gray font or lines and things like that on the MāksëLife, so I do apologize for that, but it kind of is what it is. So the stickers that I picked up, not going to be using a kit this week, but I found these Carpe Diem stickers. They are the same ones that Marianne uses. I use a few of her inserts as well, but it is literally just numbers, which is what's needed in a daily planner. So grabbed these, super excited to jump into these. I'm also going to use sheet S1664 from Planner Kate. This is one of my favorite sheets to use. I had a couple, kind of went through most of those really quick, especially when using an undated system. So excited about these. So I'm gonna start off by just kind of putting some washi tape where it says the week of part right here. And actually I'm just gonna take this page out so that I have a nice flat surface to work on, and it kind of also helps you to see the page a little bit better. And I'll bring you in, guys, a little bit closer so that you can kind of see everything. All right, and I'm trying to cover the focus part here just because I don't really use it, to be quite honest. I feel like I'm focusing on multiple things. So, and I believe this washi is from Planner Kate as well. I don't remember like which set or anything like that, but I know that it's from there. And this is the week of January 10th through the 16th. Now I want to figure out which numbers I want to use, because you can use a variety of different sizes on here, and I think I might actually go with these types of numbers right here, but I kind of want to do like a rainbow variety of them. So for the 10th, we'll do the pink. I might skip the red, not gonna lie. I just love the way that these look, and you kind of got to get the middle out. I just think that they're gonna look great. Maybe I wanted the middle there. I don't even know. But they do fit well. Now let's do an orange with the 11, and they're pretty easy to pull up. Not gonna lie, I was so excited when I found these, and I found mine on eBay. Guys, I shop eBay a lot. I don't like paying full price for anything at all, ever. So that's where I typically go for things, but I think that they are also on Amazon, maybe. I know I sent a link to someone recently, and the Amazon one is like pretty close in price. Let's see, we need a 13. And I knew that I was going to want to use these like throughout the whole year, so I may have bought 4 books. Is that a little bit excessive? I mean, is anything excessive in the planner community? Maybe. Let's see, I want to get the middle out, but it's like, there we go. I just realized I didn't do that to the 12 either, and I'm not sure it's worth trying to lift it up, but I do really like these. Okay, now we just need the 14, and I think that we will do that in, let's see, let's do it in this lighter color because I want to do the 14, 15, 16. Yeah, that makes sense. Makes sense in my brain anyway. So these are pretty easy to get up off of the page. I'm just trying to get the middle part out that I don't really need. But I like these so much. I'm not saying that I won't ever use kits or anything like that, but these just seem so fun. And they match really, really well with the MāksëLife colors as well. Although I know that this particular system is like very, very neutral, so it doesn't exactly matter. But I like them. I like them a lot. So, oh, and I just ripped my purple 16. Oh man, that sucks. I knew at some point I was going to get way too rough with these stickers. So, but this is why we buy extra sticker books. Oh my gosh, this is too funny. All right, let me find the purple 16. I can't believe that happened. I didn't think that I was gonna have trouble pulling that one up. All right, wish me luck. All right, that one came up a lot easier. All right, let me get the middle part out, and there we go. Oh, I love that. Okay, so I've got that done for the week, and then what I typically do, let me find my ruler. I use, well, I say typically, I've only been using this planner for a few weeks, so I'm not sure that it's very typical, but I use the skinny side of the Zig Clean Color Dot Marker, and this is where I will typically mark off a part of the planner. I like the gray because it just matches the gray that's already on the planner itself. And then I divide that in half because this is where I'm going to put the weather for the week. Do I do this every week? No, it just depends on my mood. Some days I'm like, I want to do all the things in my planner, and then other days it's like very, very bare bones. I'm not really worried about anything like being perfect or perfectly coordinated or anything like that. But I have my days where I'm like, I really want to put in all the information in here. So there, and then Friday, and we'll split that in half. And then I'm going to grab my little weather stickers from Planner Kate, and then I'm just going to put the weather at the top part for the entire week. All right, so I've got my weather in there for the week, and then I'm just going to put in a few things that I just kind of need to remember as far as paydays, video schedules, things like that, and then any sort of important meetings for the week. And I'm kind of just going off of my vertical planner that I use, just kind of grabbing the things that I know need to be over here. Okay, so there is that for the week. Like I said, I just put sort of the big things for the week that just kind of I need to have in my planner with me, since my A5 planner is the one that I keep with me at all times. Okay, so now I want to use the dates to date each day of the week for the whole week, because that's one of the challenges of an undated planner, is just not necessarily having the dates ahead of time. So I just do it 1 week at a time. And I think I'm going to use these smaller circle numbers just because I think that that will be easier. And I'm just going to do the 10 for Monday, and then correspond that with the Monday sticker from Planner Kate. And I'm just going to do that for the rest of the week. All right, so that is it. That is how I set up my A5 for the week, especially on a Sunday. I just kind of sit down and kind of get everything prepped so that I'm ready to jump into my planner on Monday morning and kind of jot down everything that I need to do for that particular day. Now, the reason why I don't plan ahead on my daily pages is because I kind of feel like then it loses the whole concept of daily planning. I plan ahead in my vertical planner, but in this planner, I will literally plan the morning of. But at least now that they're dated, that will work for me. So say if on Monday something pops up and I know it's for Thursday, I can flip to that page and either write it in or just put it posted. And it's much easier to use this way since the planner does come undated. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.